To add the payment method on freelancer.com, follow these steps. Log into your Freelancer account. Go to freelancer.com and log in using your credentials. Access payment settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Go to the Payment section. In the Settings menu, click on Payments under the Payment Method section. Add the payment method. In the Payment section, click on Add Payment Method. Freelancer supports several options like PayPal, bank transfer, credit or debit card, and Skrill. Enter payment information. For PayPal, enter your PayPal email address. For bank transfer, provide your bank account details, such as your IBAN and SWIFT code. For credit or debit card, input your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Verify and save. You may be required to complete verification steps, such as entering a one-time PIN or confirming small deposits. Once verified, click Save to finalize the process.